These Apple hearing aids are going to completely take over the hearing aid market. Hey guys, Cliff Olson, Doctor of Audiology and founder of Applied Hearing Solutions in Phoenix, Arizona. And in this video, I'm doing a detailed review of the new Apple, yes, Apple hearing aids. Okay, so chances are this is probably the first that you're actually hearing about the Apple hearing aids. No, these are not just another pair of AirPods with a hearing aid feature. I'm talking actual prescription hearing aids from Apple. As the largest hearing aid tech review channel on YouTube, Apple gave me an exclusive opportunity to get a preview look and review of their new prescription hearing aids. And all I have to say is, wow, and it's about time. Let me start by giving you a little bit of a background into Apple's inevitable entry into the hearing aid market. In 2014, major hearing aid manufacturer Resound released the Lynx hearing aid, which was the first ever made for iPhone hearing aid. Not only did this familiarize Apple with the hearing aid industry, but it also helped them identify just how popular hearing aids were becoming. When Apple released their Apple Watch, they wasted no time making the watch compatible with these different hearing aid manufacturer apps so you could control your hearing aids directly from your wrist. A few years later, in September of 2018, Apple released a new iOS update to iOS 12, which made a feature called Live Listen available. This feature could turn your iPhone into a remote listening device that would stream audio directly into your AirPods from a distance to help you cut through background noise. This is something that prescription hearing aid manufacturers were already doing for a while to allow individuals who struggle in background noise to hear better. In September of 2020, Apple took another significant step forward in hearing aid functionality with iOS 14, which allowed something called Conversation Boost with their Apple AirPods Pro. Essentially, this Conversation Boost feature allowed you to amplify speech in your environment when you're in transparency mode using the AirPods Pro. This basically gave Apple one of the first over-the-counter hearing aids before the over-the-counter hearing aid guidelines even took effect. When Apple released their AirPods Pro 2 with the new H2 chip, it actually enhanced the clarity of conversation with Conversation Boost, and they perform better in background noise. And just a few weeks ago, we got word that Apple is going to be releasing iOS 18, which will essentially create a hearing aid mode for their Apple AirPods Pro, turning those into OTC hearing aids officially. However, it appears as though Apple is not satisfied with just releasing a hearing aid mode inside of their Apple AirPods. They actually want to have an official prescription hearing aid, which is why they will be releasing their first official prescription hearing aid in September of 2024 as well. Now, these may look a lot like the Apple AirPods Pro, but these are legit hearing aids. And I've got to tell you, these hearing aids are by far the best hearing aids that I have ever reviewed on this channel. And I probably have hundreds of hearing aid reviews on this channel because I've been doing this for 7 years. Not only do they have the best sound quality of any hearing aid I've ever listened to, but these cut through background noise like a hot knife through butter. Virtually no difficulty in background noise ever again using these Apple hearing aids. Of course, if you want to unlock the full potential of these Apple hearing aids, then you are definitely going to want to get yourself an iPhone as well as an Apple Watch. Now, I know you're thinking, Cliff, this is blowing my mind. Where can I get these Apple hearing aids? And essentially, Apple is going to be selling them on their website, but you're going to be able to get fit with these hearing aids at the Genius Bar inside of an Apple store. Starting today, April 1st, Apple will be taking pre-orders for these hearing aids, and they are officially starting to train their Genius Bar employees. The other thing that you should know is that today is also April Fool's Day. Boom! That's hilarious.